Nice and slow.
After you see Joe do this trail,
Pass.
you're gonna know exactly why we came out 2 days in a row.
So this is the scene. We are getting ready to do the South Loop. And now we're doing it in the reverse direction. I drove it coming through the one way, and now we are going to turn around, and Bug is gonna do it in the reverse. It's a little nervous. Yeah.
Very nervous.
You gonna do it though, Bug?
Yes.
Yes, nailed it. Good
Bam.
Bug.
Bam.
Bam,
Bam. Bam.
you're so weird, Bug. Your weirdness is coming out.
Because I'm nervous.
You'll be fine, honey. Okay, Buggy's gonna get its fuel for the bug.
Lots of ice. That's the recipe.
Yep, and we are gonna go do this. So I'm gonna walk over a little bit while the bug is getting ready. So this is the, I don't know what side entrance of the new South Loop, but this is it. This is the beginning. It's gonna be awesome.
In a second, you're gonna see the sky.
Come to me, Buggy.
All right, 2 foot, 2 foot, 2 footer. Told you you'd see the sky. And now you're gonna see the ground. Using this entrance into the South Loop gives you a good warm-up to get you ready for what is to come. This is nothing. Just keep watching. It's about to get real. All right, we're in.
Look at this, you guys.
Poor Boo's doing a lot of walking.
I mean, this is pretty wild.
It's so sweet of him so that I can do this.
We're gonna get the bug through this. Good job, babe.
Thanks, babe.
Put your rear locker on. Okay. There you go. Oh, nice.
Not bad.
Okay.
Not bad. You want to jump in?
No. Oh yeah, I'll jump in here.
Okay.
Hold on.
I think it's a great spot.
So, yeah, you were turning up into the hill really hard a couple times. You gotta adjust because it's hard to see where you're going, isn't it?
is.
It really is.
I couldn't see you,
Yeah, it is tough to see where you're going.
so I don't know if I.
I mean, you're doing fine,
Yeah.
but that's where you could get
Get in
flippy for
trouble.
big time, quickly.
So at the beginning of the trail, like you saw, was those big valleys and big peaks. But here you have to maneuver around the big piles of dirt, and you have the off-camber. So much fun.
Nice wheel lift. No, nice wheel lift.
My specialty.
You're doing good, Bug.
I mean, the goat just has it. Like, I don't feel the wheel lifts. I just feel like we're just rocking.
So one of those wheel lifts was like you carried it like around the corner. Like it wasn't just a baby wheel lift. It was like
I did.
one of your wheels was up and you were still turning with the other wheel, and it was.
And I went around like a mud
Yeah,
pile.
yeah.
I did feel that. I was like, I just did something.
Yeah, absolutely. Is your rear locker on?
Oh, Mamma Mia. Oh, Mamma Mia.
Mamma mia.
We just pull off the side of the road, little lunch break, peanut butter and jelly. Peanut butter, what did we stop for, Bug?
Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly.
That's my Bug right there. So we just went through kind of like the entryway, I guess, kind of the South Loop. I mean, it's part of the South Loop.
If you can make it through that,
you
better
well,
hold on to your panties.
right. Because we got some more to go, right, Bug?
We're about to get a lot worse.
So we're gonna do it. All right, you ready, Buggy?
All right, lunch is over. We just did a big circle. We couldn't find the South Loop again because it's just so different out here again. But we are 90% sure this is the South Loop. Okay, I'm nervous. Engine one. This is probably the most intense part of the new South Loop. His face. Now, do you want me to stop? Look how deep this is.
You got it.
His face. I feel that wheel lift. Oh my God. He just told me to stop. You want me to stop? I can barely put my foot on the brake pedal. He's just walking. He's just walking. Walking his way. I'm at an angle. I'm about to die. He's just moseying, getting his angle. Get his angle. Okay. Am I coming? Okay. Okay. He wants me to go left. Oh my God. Okay. I'm freaking everywhere, man. More passenger. I can't. I can't wait. Just when he goes, about 4 inches.
You gonna make it?
Yeah. I better. Here's the stump. Right? Stump.
Okay, go ahead, honey. Turn, passenger.
Passenger.
I think, yeah. There you go.
You think? Oh God, I'm going slanted again. Keep going like that?
Yep.
Okay, I was being dramatic, but man, I was having fun.
Good job, Buggy.
Oh my God!
Hey,
Baby!
that was something else.
That was freaking nuts!
Let's watch this together.
Okay.
All right.
So now let's jump back to the day before, which was our first time on South Loop. I didn't realize Tahuya was going to be like this today. When all of a sudden...
Oh, look at him. Holy shit.
We got a K5 Blazer up here.
He's getting really wild up here, looks like.
I had no idea Tahuya was like this.
Oh, man.
Yeah, that's a pretty big rig.
So I ran down the trail to investigate. And this is the exact same spot that I was being dramatic 30 seconds ago. Yeah, back up and go driver. go. Wow. Holy crap. Oh, I see. So he gets his passenger to jump out and try this again. There you go.
All I had to do was get your ass out of the truck.
Now that he's completed it, it is time for Daniel and his TJ to give it a shot. Let's see how he does. Keep all your tires. Nice. Just like that. Come a little, driver. Ooh, that's a deep pocket right there. Deep pocket, deep pocket. Come towards me. No. Actually, keep going. You're gonna go in it. This is you'll send you down in it. There you go. Perfect. You're in it now. I like that a lot better. All right, keep going, passenger. Almost through it. There she goes. Okay, this looks like, I see your face. Just go full nose right into it. Nicely done. So you watch me drive this part of the trail, and then you watch Daniel drive it in the opposite direction. Now let's watch Joe as he does this for the first time. This gets fun. Keep going. Keep going, Pat. There she is.
There you go. Yeah. Go passenger.
Passenger, baby. There you go, good passenger. There you go. Come a little, driver, babe. There you go. A little, driver. Driver. Yep. There you go. Now passenger.
That's your full stuff right there, man.
Okay, this is big. This is the biggest drop. Hold up. Nice and slow. Passenger. Take it out, passenger. All right, now driver. Holy shit balls, my heart is racing. It's hot in here. Okay, another big drop. What do you think, Daniel? Go into it, right? Drive into it, baby. You see that big hole right there? Here you go. Put that.
Oh, shit.
Back up, because you're just going to keep falling. You're going to keep. Driver, to hold yourself. Driver. Holy shit.
You're good.
Okay.
Driver. There you go.
All right. Oh my gosh. I'm dying.
You went from full stuff to full stuff to full stuff to full stuff.
That was 5 minutes of sweating.
Now he's going for it.
Up next is Gary and his stock JKU. So for those of you without lockers, this one's for you.
Go. Nice. Little driver, little driver, little driver.
So it was Daniel that was spotting Gary through this, and he took him on different lines with his JK just so that he'd be able to get through it and not get into trouble.
Man, something for wheelbase, huh?
Way different. Way different. Way different.
Can't wait to see the footage of that.
I was dying, babe. This was built for JKs.
I made him straddle all the holes.
You did it. You did it, no problem.
That's smart.
No problem.
There's a big pucker area there.
It's a big
I had
pucker
you
area.
straddle all the holes so you didn't get sunk down.
It was made for JKs.
Yeah, because that would have been tough.
So that is the new South Loop at Tahuya. Thanks so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed watching it as much as we did making it. And as always, thanks so much for continuing to support Joe and I as we go off-road.